Welcome back, everyone, and happy Wednesday. So you might have noticed over the last few days that the haze has been getting a bit thicker. Today is no exception, and we're going to see that kind of continue over the next few days with the high pressure that has moved in. So you can see lots of areas with moderate air quality this morning in central Montana and a few areas that are unhealthy for sensitive groups. And we could see that kind of get worse as we have this high pressure and the wildfires in our area. So just kind of touching on a few of those wildfires that are a bit bigger. I know there are a lot in northwestern Montana, but just some of the big ones that I wanted to touch on. The 10-mile fire is now over 1,000 acres. That's at 1,200 acres right now, and the Davis fire just a little bit northwest of there, almost in Idaho and almost in Canada. That fire is at 507 acres, and there are a few other fires in that area, but mainly below 100 acres for right now. The Garden Creek fire just south of there is at 502 acres. The Brownstone fire, that's a little bit southeast of the Garden Creek fire, that's at 270 acres. The Medicine Man fire out by Billings is at 550 acres, 90% containment, so that's good. And the Bacon Rind fire that we've had our eye on for a while now is just under 1,000 acres. That's at 975 acres right now. So a little bit of activity with the wildfires growing at least, but the situation in our area is certainly not as bad as other areas in the country. So on this image you can really see this high pressure ridge that is building up over the western United States, and that's causing a huge heat wave on the west coast, in the Pacific Northwest, and in our area as well. On the radar, not much going on. We're going to stay clear here for the next few days, at least in terms of clouds. We're going to have some haze, but that doesn't really show up on the radar like that. So taking a look at that huge heat wave that's on the west coast, you can see all the way from Southern California up along the west coast and now into Montana, we're starting to see some of those extremely hot temperatures. Although it's going to get worse on Thursday and Friday, today is also going to be a little bit warmer, but this heat advisory for northern Montana, that's not going to be in effect until tomorrow afternoon when those high temperatures start to hit. So tomorrow afternoon through Friday evening, and then also we have a fire weather watch. We have not had one of these in a while, but this will be starting Friday afternoon all the way until late Saturday night, technically early Sunday morning, because the winds will be picking up after all of this hot and dry weather we've had this week, and that spells fire danger. So for today, temperatures aren't going to be in that dangerously hot range, not in the heat advisory range. That won't start till tomorrow, but still warmer than yesterday. We've had a gradual increase in those temperatures as the week has gone on, which is going to continue into the end of this week. So temperatures in the upper 80s and 90s for the highs today, especially along the high line. It's going to be a warm afternoon today, and then heading into a few hot days as well. So Thursday and Friday, temperatures pushing 100 or in the triple digits range. That will start to cool off by Saturday, but again, those winds picking up will increase our fire danger. So once we transition from the extreme heat, that will move into the fire danger territory. Tomorrow and Friday also are going to be pretty hazy out there because the smoke that's been building up this week is going to get those skies a bit hazier for Thursday and Friday, along with those hot temperatures. So not necessarily cloudy, but hazy.
Yeah, Katie, thanks so much.